What's up developers, and welcome back to a new video where we will be hiding elements for unauthorized users in our mini project. Quick pause. Do you want to support the channel and want me to continue on creating content? You can support the channel on Patreon right now, where you get benefits such as a private Discord group where you can share your coding issues and other developers will help you out. The link will be in the description down below. We've got quite some buttons on our pages that you usually don't want to show to users that are not logged in. Even right now on our movies endpoint, we have a create new movie button that you don't want to show to every user. It's quite easy to disable the button itself from the front end, but what about the back end? Now let's start off with the front end first. Let's navigate back to the code editor and let's open the index.html.twig file. And let's scroll down right here to our div where we have an entry of create new movie. Now let's copy the entire div and let's delete it for a second. And what we need to do is to wrap it inside an if statement. So let's write down if and hit tab. Now the condition is pretty simple. We're simply going to check if the app.user has been set or not. If it has, let's go inside of it and print out the button that we just copied. And let me align it. All right. If we save it and navigate back to the browser, refresh it, you'll see that our button is gone. Now let's try to log in. So let's say admin@gmail.com, admin1234, sign in. And as you can see, the create new movie button is visible right now because we're logged in. Now the issue that we have right now is the fact that the movies create endpoint still works. So let's log out and let's go to the /movies/create endpoint. As you could see, we're still able to create a new movie. In PHP, you need to create some kind of method that will check whether a user is logged in. In Symfony, you can easily fix this by adding access control inside your security config file. So let's do that. Let's navigate back and let's open our config folder, packages folder, where you can find a security.yaml file. If we scroll down, you will find somewhere a section right here called access_control. Let's uncomment whatever happens inside of it. Right here, you can see that the /admin is only accessible for users that have a role of admin. Now let's change it up a little bit. What we want is the /movies/create endpoint. Now the role will not be admin, but the role will be basically role_user. Save it. Let's navigate back, refresh the page. And as you can see, we have been redirected to the login page. Now if we try to log in, so admin@gmail.com, admin1234, sign in, you'll see that we have access to the movies/create endpoint. Now this was it for this course. This was the last episode of it. Keep in mind that this project is not finished. You cannot deploy this project, well, just to test, but it is not finished. There are a lot of advanced topics that you can implement inside this course. What I've tried to do is teaching you the basic fundamentals of Symfony. Therefore, there are a lot of stuff inside the code that I just had to show you, but maybe not necessary for this course. And that includes for a lot of packages as well. So keep in mind, there is a lot that you need to change up right here. If you want to see me create more Symfony content, just let me know in the description down below. I'll happily do that. But for now, thank you for your time. If you do like my content and you want to see more, leave this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button.